Hello, 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 everyone. This is Jaylee's Corner. I am Jaylee, and this is just a quick introduction to my channel. This will be the video that everyone that comes to my channel that's brand new will end up seeing. Well, who haven't subscribed yet. This is what the first video that they will end up seeing. It's like an introduction video. So I am Jaylee. The name of my channel is Jaylee's Corner. Basically because I picked Jaylee's Corner because when I started doing my videos, I picked the corner of my house to record them in, and my name is Jaylee. So, you know, that's the name of it. But I just review different TV shows that I like to watch. Solely because, you know, of course, when TV shows come on, you're talking with your friends, you're on social media tweeting or Instagramming or Facebooking about different TV shows, and my friends and family thought I was funny, and they thought my opinion was like, you should do videos, you should do kind of, you know, review stuff. And I was like, I don't know. I had been thinking about doing it for a while, and back a couple of years ago, I did like 2 or 3, like when Power first came out, but I was not consistent with it, and then I stopped doing it, and I was just like, whatever. And then in April of this year, something just said, Jaylee, just do your channel. And I started doing my videos again, and I've been doing them consistently since then. Started off with about 2 subscribers. I had like 10 to 15 views on my, you know, my little videos. Now I'm like 3 months in, and I have about 220 subscribers. I'm at almost 16,000 views. I'm at like 15,000 and something right now. And I do post every day, basically. I do different type of shows. I do like Love and Hip Hop, Basketball Wives. I'm doing Game of Thrones. I do Power, The Have and the Have Nots. I'm going to do Greenleaf. I'm going to do Being Mary Jane. I do BT's Tales, Black Ink Crew. I'm going to do Grey's Anatomy and Scandal and How to Get Away with Murder, with all those shows come back on. So basically, it's just my opinion on the TV shows. It's the same thing that everyone do on social media, except I do it in video form. I try to be funny when I do it too. People find me funny. So yeah, this is my little hat that I'm going to be wearing when I'm out and about. I don't wear this on my channel. My hair is usually up in a bun on my channel. I'm the girl with the bun and the glasses. So that's kind of my thing. So hopefully you will enjoy my channel. Hopefully you will subscribe to my channel. You know, share my videos, like my videos. You can always leave comments in the comment section below in each video that I do. I like YouTube. I like giving my opinion without making anyone else feel like they have to agree with me. I don't delete people's comments who disagree with me. I interact as much as I can because I do have like a regular full-time job. So sometimes I don't get to interact as much as I would like, as quickly as I like, but I make sure that I at least, you know, like each comment that someone makes. And if I have time, I do respond back to my subscribers and my commenters. So, yeah, so that's basically what my channel is. I don't really review, like, the whole episode. I'm not going to go scene by scene and tell you what happened. I do tell you the gist of the whole episode. And, you know, I make sure to cover the important parts. And I kind of give my commentary about the things that go on in all the different shows. Oh, I also do like Growing Up Hip Hop. I did the Atlanta ones. I'm going to do the regular one that's coming on next week. And I think when I counted, there's about 13 shows that I'll be reviewing this summer, starting next week when Being Mary Jane and a couple other shows start. So hopefully you like my channel. As I said, hopefully you will subscribe. Hopefully you will ask your friends to subscribe too. And, you know, leave your comments so that I can always see what you like, what you don't like. Because, again, I like interacting with people. So that is my little introduction to Jaylee's Corner. And I am, of course, Jaylee. As I do say in every video that I have now, I do love new subscribers. So I do hope you subscribe. So that's about it. Until next time, people. Peace.